Hi everybody, I hope you're all well. When I dehydrated the sage, a lot of you said, oh, would you try dehydrating orange slices, you know, like things for Christmas decorations, etc. And I'd never really been one of those who bought orange slices online or in a shop. I'd never really knew about this. I live with the head in the sand. Didn't know. So I did look on Amazon to see how much they go for at the moment, and this is a very quick research. There may be other places that are a little bit more budget friendly, but the first ones that came up on Amazon were for $6.99 for 50 grams of dehydrated orange slices, and I think they were sort of selling it as a health benefit, that you might just pop it in a drink and whatnot, not as decoration. But 50 grams for $6.99 when this orange weighs 250 or just under 250 grams. Obviously, once I've taken the ends off, because you don't do the ends, it would be a bit less, but still, it's well over 200 grams. And this cost, I can't remember, I'll put it up here, because it came as in a bag of so many from Lidl. I'm also going to do one lime, because I think they would look well, you know, orange and green, because I will be making decorations from these, Christmas decorations. It's really early, I know, but I really wanted to give it a go. Yeah, why not dehydrate in the Ninja? So I'm going to cut these really thinly and then put them in and dehydrate for between 6 to 8 hours. Some people have done it 6, some people would say 8. So I'm going to just see. It seems a long time, and a lot of the people that, when I did the research, a lot of people said, oh, how much would that cost, you know? It sounds like, from what other people were saying, it's around like £1 to run the Ninja for that long, because it's on such a low thingy. It just doesn't cost much at all, which is great. I don't have any way of measuring it myself, unfortunately, but judging from what other people were saying when I was doing my research, that sounds, and there was more than one person who were saying that, and that rough ballpark. So that seemed very reasonable to me. It does obviously mean that the Ninja's tied up for 6 to 8 hours, especially if you fill both drawers, because you're gonna get quite a few slices out of this. So with that in mind, you might want to plan it on a day that you're not going to be using a Ninja for your dinner, or your lunch or whatever. And I know I'm not today, so that's good. So let's crack on, get these cut into slices, and see what happens. And I will be decorating them, and then I'll kind of put it away, ready for Christmas. I might put it on my tree, you know, when I get there. I know I've said this the Christmas before Halloween, and I never normally do such things. But I had an orange, I had a lime, and I wanted to dehydrate. So let's crack on and get these sliced. See you in a bit. So I'm going to start by cutting the end off. I mean, you do really need a really sharp knife for this, but I'm going to really try and slice these as thinly as possible. Ooh, got to be careful for that. Maybe that was a bit too thin. Right, a little bit thicker maybe. Right, I think it gets harder when you get near the end. So let's see how many working slices I've got. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Right, I'm going to do the lime. Right, well, you know, when you get near the end, it becomes quite difficult. So how many have I got? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, 5. Okay, that's cool. Lemons would be good too, but I didn't actually have any lemons, so, and I don't think, you know, you can only fit so much. And in fact, I need to go and find my racks, because I do have racks, but I kind of put them in the shed because I never use them. And the irony is I now need them. So I'm going to go away, try and find my racks, because I would never use them normally. They were kind of a waste of money, but if they work for this, then that might be their saving grace. So I will be back to start the dehydration. See you in a bit. So just to show what I'm doing, I found my racks. Woohoo! So this is, if this works, this is brilliant. I will keep the racks just for this because I use them for absolutely nothing else. And I did buy them when I first got the Ninja, like lots of people. But that's brilliant. I think that works. I can't see why it wouldn't. Brilliant. So yeah, let's get these in and get it fired up. See you in a minute. Right, so let's have a quick look. Yep, very nice. Okay, let's get these. So it'd be match, dehydrate. I'm going to do 7 hours because it seems to be in between. People were saying 6 and other people were saying 8. So let's do 7. We can always add an hour if we need to. So, see you in a bit. Okay, they look great. I have left them for ages because I was busy doing other stuff, and when I checked them, they had kind of got stuck to the rack, but with a little sort of gentle coaxing, I kind of got them unstuck. So I'm just going to put them on the plate. I'm pleased with those. Yeah. Well, that's the whole lot. So I'm just going to weigh it. It's 2 grams. Right. Wow. 30 grams. And 50 grams cost $6.99. Oh, the one I found anyway. Well, that's brilliant. That's great. So what I'm going to do now is just try and make some well, I'm just going to play with them. See you in a bit. Right. I've never actually done this before, so bear with me. I'm kind of finding my way. What I'm going to do, what I would like to do somehow, this is what I'm thinking after doing a little bit of online research. Can you see that? I don't know if you can see that. That's put these together like this. I've actually, I hope this works, but I've just got some jute string and I'm going to pierce through. I hope this works. It should do. I don't know. I mean, yeah. There's a star anise. So I've got 1 lime. I don't know if this is going to work. What's going on? So like can you see it's there, come through there, and hopefully just tie it in a bundle. I'm going to actually gift wrap this because this is, I decoupage this and it's going to be a gift for someone, so I wanted to try this. It's a bit Christmassy, but they, you know, that's okay. It's a birthday gift, but I did want to see what it looked like on a gift wrap. Scissors. To be fair, I might well, quickly wrap that. go, that does look really nice. I really like that. Right, I'm going to carry on with the others in time-lapse mode because otherwise we'll be here forever. See you in a bit. Got lemons as well now, so I think I might make some more. I'm definitely going to make more of these for my Christmas. I know it's early, but you know, why not, eh? These aren't going anywhere, and I'm going to hang these on my tree. Great, really like them. Very bright and colourful, I do like that. So yeah, thanks for watching, something a little bit different. Thanks for asking me to do orange slices. I'm really glad I did, and they turned out fantastic. And the lime ones, so I'm really pleased. Take care everybody, thanks for watching, bye, see you on the next one.